I realize being with my woman, you see if I was a woman or act as if I'm a woman, I would keep her for so long. She wants a man who can stand up like a man and act like a man and put her in her place when she deserves to be put in her place. So yeah. Yeah man, the man just act like a man and behave like a man, and the rest is history. Yeah. So guys, ever since my wife put me onto Mary Browns, it's somewhat just hit the taste buds. If my wife is gonna try the original, I'll try the spicy. And so I'll go first.
Okay. Ready? Baby girl, mood of fire. I know sometimes I get confused, but I you want to choose. I'm in no love, no other girl. So don't get no other man. Baby girl, you are my heartbeat. You complete my girl, my darling. And anytime you call me, call it. This is the word of fastness, don't speak. Baby girl, you're my heartbeat. Complete my girl, my darling. You know I'm going through a rough patch. Darling, you're my comfort. Keep loving you hard and hard. Swimming no God, no God.
So we just passed the road where Babe used to live when he first moved here from Jamaica.
Yeah, the first house man actually landing up when I come a foreign. I show my wife it a while ago. I tell my son say, life is rough one way. When I just come, because we'd have to fight it out and we'd have a contract where I couldn't get any more house. I couldn't get any more jobs, so we'd have to stay under the close permit that I come up on for 2 years. I tell her, I say life did rough. So she asked me if I think I did want to go back home. But when I think about go back home, when I think about it and sometimes it come to me and I say go home or not. But then I remember say I'm a destiny for be here. You understand? So when I remember say I'm a destiny for be here, I remember why God put me here. I say, you know, I have to suppress whatever feelings I have and tell myself say I should have been here. So whatever I go through, I have to just ride the storm. Guys, I remember, you know, I one night time because I can't do no other job because of the permit I have.
And you didn't have a car?
No, I have a car.
Not when you first came, no?
No, within 2 months I get a car.
Oh.
But
okay, so let's say the first 2 months you were here when it was snowing and you had no car. Were you ever like, I'm getting on a plane and going back home?
no, because
No?
I come
Okay.
here to do a job, so
Okay.
we know it's going to get easier regardless.
Okay.
And that's what I say,
Okay.
but guys, when you actually start face reality and remember say no family in a day here, no friend, nobody out here comfort zone. She asked me, I feel like I did want to go back home many times, but remember when I remember say God, the journey when I dip on and God put me here, I should have been here. You know, I just accept whatever challenges I have and I don't say, yo, I'm gonna work through it. So regardless of how I did feel, I just know say, yo, I'm gonna work through whatever situation because I should have been here. If I never should have been here, then I would reach here in the first place. And when I meet my wife, I deliver papers. Come get a little side hustle, you know, guys. Remember, about $50 me I get a week for do this, you know. But with my car, me I saying it I go stop a gap. So you know when mountain time come, me I get over $200, and me do that with pride. You understand? Me do it with pride. I love my job. When it has snow, me out there. When it cold, when it cold, me out there. I do it. Me love my job. So my time. That's why when I come from, guys, with all my wife, I cherish her more. I remember them days because she know where I fought from, and remember nights when she really forward with me, and we had the papers together, and she had run. You understand me? I say she had run and I deliver papers with me. Me, if the house is on my side of the road, me go, and if the house is on her side, she go, and yeah, we do it together. You understand? So just I tell my son a while ago, say. But just telling him a while ago, say, listen to me. Your father got you for make sure say there. I'm proud of myself, you understand? And when I remember sometime when I know me have my son and I know me have to come through for him. Giving up was never an option, you know what I mean? So we just proud say we do it and you know life get easier. You understand what I mean? I say, yeah, the moment I find my wife it kinda rough and difficult, but she ease my pain most of them time there, and that's why you know me just I lift my hats off to her, you know what I mean? Because a general, yeah, I'm done, yeah. So get the youths. I'm telling you, here all this time rough and it rocky. Don't give up. You understand me? I said embrace any challenge you have and go for your goal. You see, if you see goal, just believe. You understand me? I said, when I come here and I don't know myself. You understand me? Just I go through with Father God. I'm there, I know, I see me a cut ear. You understand? If you don't know me from school days, me I sell sweetie. And if even my girl never accept the fact that me I sell sweetie, should have to go on. But anything if I make my dollar, me I go do it. You understand? And when I come here, I don't know my way around, I don't know nothing, but I just go with Father God and I tell him to guide me. And now I see me there and I cut ear. You understand what I say? And I do. I work, see me. Sometimes I don't know how I do it, but the work ethics I have, it continue to prevail, and you know I just find my way around. And the Father God do it, because some of the time when I look, I don't have the strength. I don't know how I find the strength, should say. When I find the strength, I will prevail and will go through. So get to you, don't give up on the dream we have. And you know me as a man, I always I tell you, stay out of problems, stay out of trouble. You understand me? I say, because if you pick up a record, it don't even make sense. You understand? You don't really want to pick up a record and spoil your life. You understand me? I say, so stay out of problem. It's not worth it. You understand? And believe.
Yeah.
And you shall achieve.
Yep. And you know, when I first came here too, I've never told you guys this story, but I was in Texas and I came here with not even $1 in my pocket. I only knew one person, and that was my Aunt Darlene. That was it. But I knew when I was in Texas I had to leave and I had to come to Canada because I'm from Canada, and I overstayed my visit when I was in the United States. I should have been gone a long time ago. So I connected with one of my friends here, and she loaned me $500, which was able to get me a ticket here and the Uber to get me to the airport. Then once I got here, I connected with my aunt, which was my mom's sister, Aunt Darlene. She's been on the vlogs a few times with me. So I didn't know Sharon. I didn't know my Aunt Joy. I didn't know my Aunt Linda. I didn't know anyone when I came here. Just my Aunt Darlene. That was it. And I cried many, many nights. And I read my Bible. And I just believe that God brought me here for a reason. Because when I was in Texas, I started to get really close with God, and I was like, God, I feel like such a loser. I don't know where I'm supposed to be. Like, I don't want to go to Nova Scotia. I don't want to go to Newfoundland. And he led me here to Campbell River. So, yeah, and then, you know, I ended up moving out with my Aunt Darlene and moved in with my Aunt Linda, who I met while I was here. She was married to my Uncle Floyd, who had passed away. Anyway, and then I got a job as a car salesperson. And then I got my job as a support worker. And then my daughter moved here with me, and we ended up getting our own apartment. And then we met at Keen's. So yeah, the rest is history. But so I had a really hard time when I first got here too. But God blessed us both, and I mean, look what we have now. I didn't have one thing to call my own when I moved here. I gave my car to my daughter when I was in Texas. I had absolutely nothing but 2 suitcases with some clothes in it. And look where we're at now.
Yeah, and that's why I say youths. And just believe, you know what I mean, and put everything before God, because anything possible with Him, you know. You understand what I say? Where I was coming from in Jamaica, me did already have everything set. You understand what I say? I run left 3 cars that work for me and I do whatever I could do. But when I come here, I buck up on an obstacle where it's like you have to start over again. I'm really look into it. If I did really I think about what I leave behind in Jamaica, I would I really run go back home. But as I say, when I remember said destiny, and your destiny was to be here.
Yeah.
You understand? A right as God want you live, a right as Him put you for the theme work. But just accept the challenge. I just accept the challenge and we'll work. You understand? And since then, the rest is history, man. Because how I meet my wife, you know, guys, how I meet my wife, I look on it and I say, I must have angel this from above. I say she's must have angel from above, because nothing when I do in her eyesight, it never fails her, because she knows what she want. And I don't know if it's because she has said she never want to do something for really piss me off or for me to run away or whatsoever. But nothing that I do never really fails her, and she just know what she want, and that helped me to be a better man. You understand what I say? That helped me for like kind of clean up my slate and you know the things that now got really affect her or so forth. Because at the end of the day, you know, everybody have feelings, and I just embrace my feelings and just know say, you know, we're going to work together. And see, the rest is history, man. So just believe and you shall achieve, yeah?
And me, my whole take on it, whenever like he gets mad at me for something I did or said or whatever, I'm just like, the devil is not gonna win. No, get behind me, Satan, because you come to steal, kill, and destroy. But my God, it's getting a little dark, sorry guys. But my God is bigger and better and stronger, and you will not prevail, because my God will have the victory. And me and Akeem, I mean, everyone has some rough patches, let's say. I just said that because we just heard that song. But I know it's just going to be like a few hours or a day, and next day it'll be fine, right? You know, something I did or said to piss him off.
I do it to me. At this point where me at now in my life, I just ask Father God for just hold my tongue. Because I realize that now the more I shout, the more I have a headache, and you know, the best, you know, my health come first. And if I go shout and behave like a hooligan, I really want to do it. You understand what I say? And going forward, you have to learn your wife. If every day you get up and you do the same thing over and over, you really learn her and learn, say, oh, she that I accept her for who she is.
Right.
Then you will continue fight. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
And it just don't make any sense. Every day you get up, you learn something new about her, and just embrace it. You understand? And enjoy the journey.
And no one's perfect. Like I said, like sometimes we'll, you know, ask something about our exes or whatever, and I said I would choose you over and over again, because I know who I want. I know what I want. I know, yeah, you're not perfect. You're a little cranky. You get mad sometimes or whatever. But the main things I want in a man, you are that, right? You know what I mean? And I know no one's perfect. I didn't ever expect.
Yeah, and the man them in a relationship act like a man, yeah? Yeah, I realize it. Even with my woman, you see if I was a woman or act as if I'm a woman, I would keep her for so long. She wants a man who can stand up like a man and act like a man and put her in her place when she deserves to be put in her place. So, yeah. Yeah, man, the man who just act like a man and behave like a man, and the rest is history. Yeah.
And be loyal and be honest. And, yeah, you know, and of course, he doesn't smoke or drink and all that other stuff that I don't like. So, hey, we're all good. And he loves me most of the time.
Guys, my wife said she gonna cook some food for now. So she want to cook. She want to cook you guys some food for New Year's. So I'm going in superstore to go and look at turkey for her. And yeah, just some other stuff. So we're trying to see what I'm gonna get for her. Guys, so finally getting at the store. Let's go search for turkey. Yeah. If you know me, you know shopping is not my strong point, but since my wife get injured, I got to be shopping. So let's go search for turkey, guys. Guys, so if you don't know, we know like fish, but from the other day we can't get no tilapias. So these are like a $7. I'm grabbing 2 of them. You know, I'm gonna cook some food for wifey, and let us be merry and eat. So guys, I've come this far for them to be telling me they're probably out of turkey.
One of these.
You're telling me my wife is out of luck, but I'm gonna look one more time just to make sure, you know, because I want to see her cook too. I mean, I've been always cooking, so I want to see her cook this time. Yeah, let's go Canadian style. So I'm taking one last look and then for sure. So we're back at the meat department. Don't think there's no turkey, to be honest, so I think we're out of luck. So guys, the turkeys are gone. The guys said they're all gone, so we're out of luck. Yeah. Okay, we're out of luck. Guys, this is all I get. This is all I get. I didn't get a turkey, so maybe next time you guys see my wife cook. She wanna do it though, so that's good. Guys, my wife sell the microwave with the intention to get a new one, and all know the microwave doesn't come, so you know what time it is. We are out getting dinner. Yeah. And it's nice to be out of the house too, right? Take her out of the house and get some walking and so forth. So it's right here we're gonna have dinner tonight. You know, Mary Brown's is our go-to place. So that's what we're gonna do. Roger, him just wake. Let's see Roger's reaction when we open when we open the family box. Let's see.
Okay, Roger, there's our supper. I wonder if we should get a plate for you. Baby. It's supper.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Now for me? Oh, thank you.
So guys, this is our dinner for tonight. So guys, ever since my wife put me onto Mary Brown's, it's somewhat just hit the taste buds different, and she think as if like we should do like a taste test on it or whatsoever the case is. So
Maybe like a review or something. So let's show you the, come. So this is the biscuits.
it's soft. It's
Yeah,
really soft.
Really,
What do you think about it?
they got like a sweet flavor, but they're really soft. and
So
really
guys, I
good.
did really buy my biscuit already, so I'm gonna try it again. It's one of the softest biscuit. I like maybe the syrup on it. It's really good. Really good.
Their gravy has lots of flavor. It's kind of, to me, a little bit too salty, but at the same time, it's spicy too. And their coleslaw,
So baby's gonna try the coleslaw.
yeah, their coleslaw is really good too.
So let me
Very
taste
good.
it, baby. Let me taste it.
Like, it's just so yummy. It tastes like coleslaw should taste.
Try some.
Not too
It's
sweet.
good. Like nothing is overpowering in it. So
It's not watery.
for me, it's really good. Yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna go for one of the taters and see how this goes.
I'm gonna do it first with no gravy. It's just packed with flavor.
So it's good.
Let me tell you, if any of you Jamaicans who love flavor are in Canada and have a chance to try Mary Brown's, I think you should.
You
Right,
should
babe?
try it. Yeah, it's good. It's really good.
So
If I'm
much
hear me
flavor.
saying it,
Like you
And
guys
I'm-
like flavor. And this has
I'm gonna try it without the sauce and see. It's good. It's like a nice wedge,
Yeah.
you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
Flavorful
they use seasoning here.
and nothing that overpowering nothing. You know what I mean? So, but it goes really well with the gravy that they have. So.
And let me tell you something, Mary Brown's was originated in Newfoundland, and I'm from Newfoundland.
Yeah.
And us Newfoundlanders, that's why I'm attracted always to black people, because we're a lot like Newfoundlanders and black people are a lot alike. We like flavor, we like good food, same type styles of food, stews.
So
and
guys, where we live in, it's like maybe 45 to 50 minutes to get to Mary Brown's here, and every time we want like a nice bite, we come here for it because it's not much food that tastes good, right? Here or over where I live, but I always come back to Mary Brown's. It just hit different. I love it.
so much flavor.
So guys, I took spicy chicken. My wife is gonna try the original. I'll try the spicy, and so I'll go first.
Okay. Ready?
Oh my god, look at my beard.
It's all in your beard. I'm not one for spicy.
Hit different. Hit different. I love it.
Cooked right to the bone,
Really
not
good.
greasy.
Flavorful. Yeah. What's your meat? What's your food? You just have it. You just
I think
enjoy it.
he's just eating ketchup.
Where's your chicken, babe?
So good. So guys, it's cooked right to the bone.
It's really good. Yeah. It's different, man. It's nice. You know, so any Jamaican live in Canada, once you have a Mary Brown's near you, try it. And guys, we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our meal, and I think this is the last of the vlog, so it's best we end it out now, or guys, just remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. You know, the videos are coming, and be blessed, and remember, turn on that notification bell so you get all the necessary uploads. Peace out, guys. Have a good one.
Ireland boss, and me I represent Akeem and Jed. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No tables are turned with both half doesn't cheer. You know what I mean?